Hello everyone, welcome to IntelliSkills. This is our first tutorial of this Java course, which is setting up the machine for Java development. Before speaking any further, I want to tell you that we have uploaded our course overview video in our YouTube channel. Please do go and watch it before continuing with this video. If you have watched it, then we may continue here. In this tutorial, we will download and install JDK. You'll get to know what is JDK, how to download, from where to install, all this stuff. Okay. Next, we'll download and install something called IntelliJ. You'll get to know what is that. Okay. And the third part is my most favorite and the most interesting part. Okay, which is the Q&A session. It is basically a trivia kind of thing. The questions that I will give will be in MCQ form and they will be not from what I have explained inside the video. They will be some trivia kind of thing. I'm going to explain each and every answer and I will also show why is it that answer itself, okay? And you should try out what I'm explaining because it will grow your interest in Java development. So this is how we have designed the course. I'm very excited to share my knowledge with you all. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. First, we are going to download JDK. Let's type. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It has the code that helps us in coding and a compiler also. It contains JRE or Java Runtime Environment that converts the whole code into bytes and executes or runs it. Now this website oracle.com is what we need. We need to click on this link. It will take us to this page. We are going to download the JDK for Java 8. If you want to install the JDK for any other version, you can surely do that, but it should be above 8 or 8. We will download for Java 8 and here we get Windows. I will install this one and we need to click on this. We need to accept this license before going forward. Now we will download it. Okay, so we will sign in here. So the JDK has started downloading. The JDK has been successfully downloaded. Now we need to install it. It's something written here. If you want to read it, you can read. But now I'm proceeding. Okay, so I'll click next here. Okay, so our JDK is successfully installed. Let's close it. Okay, now we need a code editor. What is a code editor? You have seen a notebook, right? In a notebook, we write many things in Hindi, English, and many more languages. Similarly, in a code editor, we write the code of different languages like Java, Python, HTML, CSS, and much more. So now we need to download and install a code editor so that we can write our code there in Java. The code editor that we are going to use is IntelliJ. If you want to install any other code editor, then it's up to you. You can use anything. At the very first, you'll get a link from jetbrains.com. So let's open this link. Okay, so this thing appears here. I'm going to download it for Windows and we are going to download the community edition, which is absolutely free and it is more than enough for this course. It is being downloaded here. It will take some time to download. Till then you can go grab a snack. Okay, it's downloaded now. We are needed to open it. Now each and every step will come and you are needed to click on next. And if you need to do any specific changes, then you can do so and then proceed further. Okay, it's getting installed now. It might take some time. Till then you go grab another snack. Okay, I've saved a shortcut for IntelliJ in my desktop. So I'm going to open it directly from here. Here are some agreements. So I'm going to confirm this and continue. I am going to customize certain things here which you can surely avoid, or you can continue with me. Okay, now in projects, we are needed to click on new project. Now we have to name it. Let me name it IntelliSkills, and we are needed to set the location for it. Let us set the language to Java, and then build system will be IntelliJ. If we click on this option add sample code, then a piece of code will be already visible for us and we don't need to write them once more. So it will be beneficial for us. Let's click on create here. So here I am in IntelliJ. If you haven't customized your IntelliJ window yet, then your screen will be in black or in dark shade. But as I have customized and for my better vision, I have set it to light mode. You can also do it by pressing Ctrl Alt S. And from here, you are needed to select the theme. You can set it to Darkula, which is this dark one. You can set it to high contrast, which is this one, and it's not pleasant to eyes for me. Okay, and here it's Windows 10 Lite, and here it's IntelliJ Lite, which I have set. Okay, now let's click on apply and then click on OK. Our main class is already created and they have also printed a hello world statement here. Okay, but we are going to delete it because we will start from the scratch. Right click on it, click on delete. Okay, so whatever we are going to create, we are going to create it under source, src. Okay, source. We are going to right click on source, hover on new, select package. Now what is a package? It's like a folder in IntelliJ. Whenever you name a package, you should know that the format of naming a package is that it should be in lowercase. Let's name it Java course. Now we need to right click on Java course, hover on new once more, select Java class. Now what is Java class? Java class is like a file where we can write our Java code. Before naming a Java class, you need to know that the starting letter, the first letter, always starts with uppercase and the rest of the letters are in lowercase. Let me show you. Let's press enter. Here we have created our first Java class, naming it first program. Under package Java course, there is a Java class first program. So our first question is, can you uninstall Java from your computer? Option A, only certain versions of Java can be uninstalled. B, yes, you can uninstall Java using the control panel or software uninstaller. C, no, Java cannot be uninstalled once it is installed. D, yes, but it is not recommended. The correct answer is option number B, yes, you can uninstall Java using the control panel or software uninstaller. So let me explain what happens. First, we have to open control panel. Next, we need to go to programs. After that, we need to go to programs and features. Here we have to scroll down and we'll get Java 8 or whatever version you have installed. Now, the version which you want to uninstall, you have to just click on it and it will show this dialog box. For now, I'm clicking on no. If you want to uninstall, do click on yes. Question number 2. Which component of Java should you install if you only need to run Java applications? Option A, jar. B, JVM. C, JRE. D, JDK. The correct answer is option number C, JRE. If you need to write or compile your code, then you need JDK. But if you need to run your code, then you need JRE. JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. From the word runtime only you get the guess. Question number 3. How do you check if Java is already installed on your computer? Option A, none of the above. Option B, check your web browser settings. C, use the command prompt or terminal to check the version. Option D, look for the Java icon in your system tray. The correct answer is option number C, use the command prompt or terminal to check the version. So let's check what's going on. First we need to press Windows plus R and write CMD. This window is going to open. Now we need to write something over here, that is Java space minus version. Then we'll press enter and it will show the the version of Java that we are using currently, that is 1.8.0 361, this one. Okay, so that means Java is installed in your computer. If it shows the version, that means Java is installed in your computer. Question number 4, which operating system supports Java installation? Option A, macOS only. Option B, Windows only. Option C, all of the above. Option D, Linux only. The correct answer is all of the above, because Java is suitable in each and every operating system. Next question, what is the purpose of the path environment variable in Java installation? Option A, it specifies the location of the Java executable files. B, it specifies the version of Java to use. C, it specifies the location of the Java development tools. D, it specifies the location of the Java installation folder. The correct answer is option A, it specifies the location of the Java executable files. Let's check this one as well. We need to type edit environment variables for your account. This one, it will be in control panel. We need to click on this. So I think you can see Java home over here, and it has a specific value. It is a specific path which is automatically chosen and selected when we were installing Java. We did not do this. It happened automatically, and in this location only all the executable files are stored. If we click on edit and copy this path, and I will go to File Explorer, and I'll simply paste the path over here. You can see over here all the executable files. Hence we can say the path environment variable specifies the location of the Java executable files, right? Next question, what is the first step in installing Java on your computer? Option A, install the JDK or Java Development Kit. Option B, check your computer for compatibility. Option C, disable your antivirus software. Option D, download the installation file. The correct option is check your computer for compatibility, that is option B. We'll check this one as well. If we go to File Explorer, and in this PC, if we right click on it, we'll get something called properties. We have to click on it. Okay, after that we'll get something called system type, which shows that 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. If you remember, we had installed Java 8 for x64 installer, because the compatibility of our computer is 64-bit operating system. Next question is, can you install multiple versions of Java on your computer? Option A, yes, but only one version can be active at a time. Option B, no, only one version can be installed at a time. Option C, it depends on your computer specifications. Option D, yes, you can have multiple versions installed and active simultaneously. The correct option is option number A, yes, but only one version can be active at a time. You can have multiple versions of Java installed in your computer, but only one will be active. In the upcoming tutorial, we will create our first Java program.